Hello and welcome to our interview with the Head of European Medical and Senior Vice President of FUJIFILM Europe, Mr. Masaharu Fukomoto. Mr. Fukumoto has worked with FUJIFILM since 1998, taking a variety of positions around the world, including in Europe, the United States of America, Japan, and Latin America. FUJIFILM Europe acts as strategic headquarters for the region and supports its group companies in Europe by formulating marketing and corporate strategies. Nowadays, FUJIFILM entities operate in over 50 group companies in Europe and employ over 5,000 people engaged in research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service support. Throughout Europe, they serve a range of industries, including medical, life science, graphic arts, electronic materials, chemical, optics, recording media, motion picture, and photographic technologies. FUJIFILM is a valued supporting member of the ESR. Welcome, Mr. Fukomoto.
Yeah, good afternoon. So thank you very much for the nice introduction, Professor Fuchsjäger. So my name is Masaharu Fukomoto. So yeah, I'm the head of the European Medical of the FUJIFILM. So yeah, at first, congratulations of the great success of the ECR. So ECR is one of the most important events for us. So I'm really happy to be here today.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you.
It has been about a year since you acquired Hitachi Medical Diagnostic Business in March 2021. So could you please tell us about the progress you have made?
Thank you, Professor. So with the acquisition of the CT, MRI, and ultrasound, and then other technologies, we believe we can realize our goal to be a comprehensive healthcare solution company by combining the products and expertise of both companies. We are building the basis that strengthens our comprehensive capabilities to positively impact the healthcare. During the COVID pandemic period of 2020, one hand, the demand for the digital portable X-ray has increased drastically. On the other hand, mammography screening, colorectal cancer screening declined, unfortunately. But in 2021, last year, when COVID was more controlled, and the demand of the digital mammography and the X-ray and the endoscopy has returned back. Since there is a little overlap in the product lineups between FUJIFILM and the FUJIFILM Healthcare. FUJIFILM Healthcare is the former Hitachi Medical. We think it's easier to create a synergy between us, and this impacts our performance positively. In addition, as FUJIFILM moved closer to be a more comprehensive healthcare solution company, we have been approached by major hospital groups and large-scale turnkey projects that we have not had dealing with before. There are more than 20 FUJIFILM and FUJIFILM Healthcare companies in Europe which handle the medical and healthcare products. We are in the process of integrating pan-European system and organizations. So we will be able to show you the new healthcare structure soon.
I see. Yeah. Now, let me ask you about FUJIFILM thoughts on how to solve the medical issues in Europe. First of all, what are FUJIFILM thoughts on the medical issues in Europe?
Thank you, Professor. The healthcare challenge in Europe has been increased in the healthcare costs due to the aging and the population growth. So I believe this has led the consolidation of the hospitals and the use of the information technology to improve the efficiency with the fewer people and less medical equipment. On the other hand, recent COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the disparity in medical service between the region and countries. The shortage of doctors and nurses, and harsh working environments, we are facing huge medical challenges dealing with the shortage of the human resources while keeping the cost down. That we believe.
In this context, I have another question for you. What are your thoughts on Fujifilm Healthcare?
Yeah, we have been aiming to become an entity that can contribute to the advancement of the human health while supporting the transformation taking place in the health sectors. We have been shifting the focus from the passive to the proactive medicine model. In other words, from the treatment after serious illness to the prevention, early diagnosis, and early treatment for various diseases, including cancers. So we aim to support the transformation of the health sector and contribute to the improvement of human health.
Thank you. What kind of added value do you think Fujifilm will be able to create in the medical field as it gains comprehensive strength?
Yes, thank you, Professor. We are committed to creating the new clinical value and supporting diagnosis by combining ultrasound, CT, MRI, endoscopes, and 3D image analysis systems. We will also work to reduce the burden of doctors by utilizing artificial intelligence and medical informatics technologies. We will accelerate the evolution of the one-stop solution that we are aiming for. Currently, we are contributing to COVID-19 and other measures against various diseases and infections by making full use of the diagnostic imaging equipment, endoscopy, in vitro diagnostic, and artificial intelligence. For example, when CT image data is analyzed with our 3D image analysis software, the location, shape, and volume of the lesion can be accurately determined, which can be used for surgical simulation as well. We are trying to our unique approach by combining diagnostic imaging equipment, CT, C-arm, and ultrasound, endoscopy, and healthcare IT imaging processing technologies. That's our way of thinking. In the field of the breast cancer, we aim to address the risk of the various types of the breast cancer by combining the mammography, ultrasound technology, image processing technology, and artificial intelligence.
Thank you very much. So it seems that Fujifilm covers really a wide spectrum of medical technologies and definitely a lot of what is important to us radiologists. Now, Masha, please tell us about the future direction of Fujifilm's healthcare business development.
Thank you, Professor Michael. So yeah, in the past year, we have seen an increase in clinical trials with the university hospitals and partnership with other medical equipment manufacturers. It seems to me that there is a growing trend to use the data captured by diagnostic imaging equipment as a starting point, and to see if it's possible to utilize the diagnostic value created by the utilizing the wealth of the data in the different clinical departments. We will continue to support such effort to improve the value of the medical care by utilizing our wide range of the diagnostic imaging equipment and image processing technologies. Secondly, to meet the growing demand of the compact, lightweight, and easy to use, especially the decentralized and home medical care of the COVID pandemic, we have launched ultra-compact, lightweighted portable X-ray, XAIR, ultra-compact and lightweighted portable ultrasound system, IBIS wireless, and then ultra-compact and lightweighted digital mobile X-ray FDR nanos. In addition to this, we would like to enter the field of the minimally invasive treatment through the surgical endoscopes by utilizing our 3D surgical simulation, Synapse 3D, flexible endoscope technologies, and ultrasound technologies in the surgical field. Moreover, As part of our life science businesses, we are strengthening our effort in biopharmaceuticals. In particular, biopharmaceutical CDMO business is growing, and then we will further accelerate its growth.
Thank you very much for this comprehensive insight. Now, do you have any last message for us?
Yes, thank you. Yes, we are committed to creating the new clinical value and supporting the diagnostic by combining ultrasound, CT, MRI, endoscopy, and 3D image analysis system. As I said, it's a wide variety of the product range. And we will also work to reduce the burden on doctors by utilizing artificial intelligence, medical informatics technologies. So this is the way forward for Fujifilm Healthcare. So thank you.
Thank you very much for being with us today. Thank you very much for sharing your fantastic insights with us today, Mr. Fukumoto. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of the Congress. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you for your question. Thank you.